Hi, my name is Mike Forder. I'm the Corporate NDT Level 3 for AltaVista Solutions, and this is part of a video training session, and we're going to be performing magnetic particle testing on a painted component. So what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate the proper technique to perform magnetic particle testing through a layer of paint on a component. Typical applications from ASTM E709 is a particular standard that we're working to, the American Standard for Testing of Materials, and it doesn't allow you to test through paint. You need to test through uncoated surfaces. You're allowed 1 or 2 mils of paint, and then that would be acceptable. But if it's a special application like this particular component has about 16 mils of paint on it. So in order to test through this, you need to be able to demonstrate that you can find the particular anomalies that you're looking for and demonstrate the technique. So this is a magnetic particle yoke. We're going to start over here. One of the things that we teach our technicians is the proper technique to applying the particles. As you apply the particles, you want to actually just float them on. You don't want to dump them on with a can such as that. You just want to be able to lightly float the particles on. And the same thing with a puffer. When you blow the particles away, you want to be a little tender and a little sensitive and make sure that you have the right technique. So we're going to move down across the plate, making sure that we have overlap. So I make sure that I test 100% of this particular component. I don't see anything there. I'm going to move down again. And as I apply this here, we actually start to see the formation of an indication along the toe of the weld. That happens to be about a 2-inch long crack in the heat affected zone. So as I talked about before, that it's important to know the techniques and the proper technique of blowing the particles off, because if I use too much force, especially on a painted plate as opposed to an unpainted plate, I can actually blow the particles away and you no longer see the crack. So again, it's important to have the proper technique in floating the particles on and watching them form, and then also the proper particle removal with the blower. So this completes this particular video training session on performing magnetic particle testing on a component that has a layer of paint. Thanks, and have a great day.